another day in the life of a immigrant working in Canada, farming his life. Yeah man, one of the main job in Canada. Yeah man, farming. You know, you farm up your cherry, your apple. Yeah man, can't do without farming in Canada. So yes, my people, I want to take you on this journey, you know. Yeah man, I want to give you an insight of what it is like. Yeah man, so I go on a quick run through my people. Yeah man, you see how cherry process and the hard work that we face each day. Yeah man, from day to day. So stick and stay. Yeah my people, so first month we go now, guys, a look. Gonna see what I go and see apple them. Yeah, man, the apple them a catch color, you know. And if you notice too, in the previous video I showed you we had thin them, when you notice apple them have size and now full up my hand. You know? Yeah man. I'm catch up color my people. Farming is life. Yeah man. Farming can never be wrong in Canada, my people, you know. So you know. You know inside out what the apple them are going with so far. Another day, life in Canada. Life of an immigrant. Yes, the people, life of an immigrant, you know. Hard work. So what actually happening, guys? The cherry line overflow. These are all bad cherries. So in order to keep the factory running, we have to do it like this, you know. Sunlight. Yes, my people. Journey has start. You know? Life in Canada. Being the life of a Jamaican farm worker. Working so hard. Man, side task for the day. The problem is, my people, the belt is moving too slow. The one that's bringing out the cherry is actually moving faster than the one is pulling it to the dump. bad cherries, my people. Benno! Yes, my people. Look, we're outside. Hard at work, guys. Yeah, man, we are at work, my people. Every day. Life of an immigrant. Yeah, man. Look at this cherry, cherry, cherry. Cherry. Sleeping on cherry. Yeah, man. What's that door? Congratulations, man.
Yo, tell me something, girl.
When I play blood clot game from phone. Yeah. this, grip with this. Jerry, look at this. Grip with this. Jerry, pack up my people. Jerry. On the outside. Jerry. Jerry. Yes. They are my people, you know. Work. A lot of hard work, guys. You know. Only for determination. set people what they have, or just still fight it. You know, but you know we have to do this to the youth, them, you know. Yeah, man, we have to do this to the youth, and so youth just can able to have a better life than when me did start out this, you know. So I feel out here and teach them, you know. But me there as a father, I want to let me see you just proud. So they always out there doing it. So just some people. There, break. Them saw lunchtime, so I just feed my face and clean my teeth. I just sit there do some work. Some hard work, guys. You know, like me say, when you die in place, don't stay for your mind. Work and no one position. You have to just condition your mind to do anything come at you. You know? If I have a big stone them throw at you, you know, so you don't condition your mind, condition your mind, how you go. Whether you go catch that stone or you go thump it, you know? Yeah, man. So I just say to my people, like me say, we are come down to the end of cherry season. Since we have like 5-6 year leave at cherry. Yeah, man. So that is the reason why you guys see a lot of bad cherry coming out of the factory, because at the end of season now, so you know you have to have a whole of soft cherry because sun is very hot and then you know, and then you have to have a whole of stemless, plus the one that will get damaged by the rainfall and stuff like that, you know. Yeah, man. So that's how I go on. So the machine is up to totally think like that. You know, you can't pack garbage. Like a pack garbage and ship it. Maybe you even go pass the inspection, please, to get approved for shipping. So you don't make no sense to pack it, you know. Yeah, man. So just to say this. I want to say thank you all for watching. Big up on yourself. Each and everyone who been a support the movement for people, and you know, I'm inside of 5 days to 6 days you have been, so you know, next thing we are turning over we attention to the apple. Start with some apple pruning, then apple picking, and then storage, everything. You must see all 9 yards of people. So God be with you all. God is the greatest. We are here.